Ridley from the UK. My company is Geotechnical Observations. I'm the owner and the managing director of the company. We've been a distributor for Measurand for about 10 years now. And we've been involved in installing ShapeArrays into tunnels, into retaining walls, into slopes, and doing quite a few of the innovative developments within the product, such as convergence. And I even noticed today that I think the first power unit was actually ours. We came up with the idea and then you guys developed it, so that's great. Well, my passion is slopes, and that's where I did a lot of my research, and my sort of research interests lie there. But more recently, I mean, and that's one of the reasons I engaged with ShapeArray, was for slope monitoring. But then I pretty soon realized the real place where it could be exploited was in construction monitoring, so such as tunnels and retaining walls. And that's where it's really mushroomed. And they're quite exciting projects to work on because they're big construction type projects. Slopes move fairly slowly, but sort of in the construction environment, you know, sort of you're dealing with real-time measurements that matter.